Hi everyone, Alex here. Before we start, here are the key phrases for today.
And Emma here. Let's go. 1. Do you have any available rooms for tonight? 2. How much is the room per night? 3. Does the price include breakfast? 4. I have a reservation under the name Alex. 5. Could I see the room first?
6. What time is check-in and check-out? 7. Can I have an extra key, please? 8. Is there free Wi-Fi in the room? 9. The air conditioning is not working. Can you fix it? And 10. I would like to check out now. Thank you.
Now, let's jump into the episode.
Hello and welcome to Knowvera English. I'm Alex.
And Emma. Alex, are you ready to book a hotel?
Always, Emma. But first, if you're new here, please subscribe to Knowvera English. Hit that button so you don't miss our travel episodes.
Yes, today we're talking about hotels. Booking a room, checking in, and fixing small problems.
Exactly, because speaking English at a hotel can be scary, but with these 10 phrases, you will feel like a pro.
Or at least like you know what you're doing.
Let's start with phrase 1. Do you have any available rooms for tonight?
This is perfect when you arrive without a booking. You walk to the front desk and ask.
You can also say, do you have a room for 2 nights? Change the number. Easy.
And if they say yes, great. If they say no, ask, do you know another hotel nearby? Helpful.
Phrase 2. How much is the room per night? Emma, price is important.
Very important. Don't be shy. Ask clearly. How much is the room per night?
Sometimes they say the price without tax, so you can also ask, is that the total price? Good to know.
Yes, and if it's too high, you can say, sorry, that's too expensive for me. Then try another hotel.
Phrase 3. Does the price include breakfast?
Oh, I love this one because breakfast in hotels can cost $20, and that's a lot.
Yeah, for some bread and coffee. So ask first, does the price include breakfast? If yes, great. If no, you can buy food outside.
You can also ask, what time is breakfast? That's a good follow-up.
Phrase 4. I have a reservation under the name Alex.
This is for when you already booked online. You go to the front desk and say, I have a reservation under the name Emma.
Then they will find your booking. Make sure you say your last name clearly. For example, under the name Smith.
And if they can't find it, don't panic. Show them your phone or printed paper.
Phrase 5. Could I see the room first?
This is brave, but smart. Sometimes the room is dirty or too small. You can ask to see it first.
Say, could I see the room before I pay? Most hotels will say yes. If they say no, be careful.
Alex, you once took a room without looking. What happened?
Let's just say the window was facing a brick wall. Never again.
Okay, phrase 6. What time is check-in and check-out?
Check-in is when you can enter your room, usually after 2 or 3 in the afternoon. Check-out is when you must leave, usually before 11 or 12.
So ask, what time is check-in and what time is check-out? If you arrive early, you can say, can I leave my bags here until check-in?
Good tip. Most hotels will hold your bags for free.
Phrase 7. Can I have an extra key, please?
Emma, why would you need an extra key?
Because Alex loses his key all the time. Or if you share a room with someone, you each want a key.
So you just say, can I have an extra key, please? Sometimes they give a card key. Same thing.
And if you lose your key, say, I lost my room key. Can I have a new one? No problem.
Phrase 8. Is there free Wi-Fi in the room?
Oh, this is very important for travelers. You need Wi-Fi for maps, messages, and watching Knowvera English videos.
Yes. So ask, is there free Wi-Fi? If yes, they will give you a password. Write it down.
You can also ask, what is the Wi-Fi password? Simple.
Phrase 9. The air conditioning is not working. Can you fix it?
This is a problem phrase, but things break. The AC, the TV, the shower.
So you say, the blank is not working. Can you fix it? For example, the toilet is not working. Can you fix it?
That's a bad day, but the hotel will send someone to help, or they can give you a new room.
You can also say, can I change rooms? That is okay too.
And phrase 10, I would like to check out now. Thank you.
The final phrase. When you leave, go to the front desk and say, I would like to check out now.
They'll check if you used anything from the minibar. You know, the expensive snacks.
$5 for a small chocolate bar. Never again.
Then you pay and you say, thank you. Have a nice day. Always polite.
Okay, let's review quickly. Emma, I'll say the situation, you say the phrase.
Let's go.
You arrive at a hotel without booking. What do you ask?
Do you have any available rooms for tonight?
You want to know the price.
How much is the room per night?
You want to know if breakfast is included.
Does the price include breakfast?
You already booked online. You say,
I have a reservation under the name Emma.
you want to see the room before paying.
Could I see the room first?
You need to know check-in and check-out times.
What time is check-in and check-out?
You need a second key.
Can I have an extra key, please?
You want free internet.
Is there free Wi-Fi in the room?
Something is broken. You say,
The air conditioning is not working. Can you fix it?
and you are ready to leave.
I would like to check out now. Thank you.
Perfect, Emma. You should work at a hotel.
Maybe one day, but first, more episodes.
Listen, everyone, before we go, please subscribe to Knowvera English. Hit that button, share with a friend who loves to travel.
And remember, speaking English is just practice. You don't need to be perfect. Just be clear and kind.
Thanks for listening. Alex and Emma out.
Bye-bye. Have a good night's sleep.
Bye.